One thing I know for sure is that things don't just happen because you want it to. Things happen because you actually get up and do something about it. Yes, you can pray about it, you can wish upon a star, you can do whatever you want. But if you don't get up and actually do something about it, it will never happen. Passion. What does that mean to you? To me, it's like no matter how much you're discouraged, how much you're feeling down, you will never give up your love for that one thing you love to do. That one thing that takes your mind off of everything else. That one thing that it doesn't even feel like a job. It's just a hobby. And I hear that a lot. For me, that's filmmaking and that's cars. And the combination of the two together. I film cars because I just love cars. Cars they're my escape. And I honestly don't know what I would do if there were no cars. As silly as that sounds. I film them, I write stories about them, and I dream about them. But I love filmmaking. And you can tell I'm passionate about it because at the end of the day, I don't get many views. I probably average around 50 views. And that doesn't discourage me from still trying, still putting my all into the next video. No matter what it is, I still put my all into it because I know that's something I love to do. I put my all into the editing, the filming, all of that takes time. It's not easy stuff. If it was easy, everybody would do it. I went to school for this. I have a bachelor's degree in filmmaking. And at the end of the day, I get discouraged all the time. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I feel like quitting. Sometimes I feel like selling my camera and never doing it again because I don't reach as many people as I maybe should reach, but I just go on with it. And that's how you know you're passionate about something. You live, you breathe, you eat, you survive on what makes you happy. And cars and filmmaking makes me happy. So you need to find that one thing that you're passionate about, hold on to it, and then keep fighting to make that your job if it's not already. And just go from there. You never know what might happen. So, well, this video kind of inspired you a little bit. I was feeling a little down, so I felt like I need to try to motivate some others. So, that being said, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Still doing the giveaway. And yeah, stay inspired. Find that thing that motivates you to get out of bed every day. And just hold on to that. I'll see you guys next time.
Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos. Sabía todo de ella, pero ahora ya no lo sé. Siempre has estado tan bella, pero has cambiado, mujer. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? Siendo que ya no te tengo, o al menos yo no tu amor. No. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. keep on falling for you.